subscribers!
Oh, mommy to the rescue.
Today I'm going to read Ladybugs, Red, Fiery, and Bright by Mia Posada. Little round beetles with red coats and black spots crawl through gardens and trees and on flowers in pots. They are ladybugs. A crawling ladybug tickles your arm, but this little insect will cause you no harm. They are busy searching for food to eat. Tiny green insects called aphids taste sweet. A ladybug may flee in fear from a hungry bird landing near, but a ladybug is a waste to birds. They have a terrible taste. When a female ladybug has eggs to be laid, she finds a safe place on a leaf in the shade. In 5 days, the yellow eggs will turn white. The hatching day is now within sight. Tiny creatures climb out from their creamy white eggs. They have hairy gray bodies and long skinny legs. They are called larvae. Hungry larvae search for food right away. They can eat 100 aphids a day. A larva's skin cannot stretch, and since this is so, it must shed its old skin in order to grow. This is called molting. Its skin splits apart, the larva wiggles free. Its new larger skin fits more comfortably. When a ladybug larva is almost full grown, it attaches itself to a plant or a stone. It molts one last time. The skin outgrew. When it emerges, it has become something new. It is a pupa. The pupa is covered by a tough orange skin. It hides the changed talking place within. Its worm-like body is rounding out. Its coat becomes smooth, tiny wings sprout. In 5 days, the pupa's shell starts to crack. A beetle crawls out with no spots on its back. Soon, black spots come into sight. The yellow coat turns to red, very fiery and bright. The new ladybug spreads its wings out to dry. A few hours pass, then it's able to fly. Its spotted wing covers move off to the sides. It beats its wings and away it glides. The new ladybugs with red coats and black spots crawl through gardens and trees and on flowers. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. We love